Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, ito yung reading natin for air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Take only what resonates. Bale guys, hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat ha. Unfortunately, hindi ko makukuha lahat ng energy ng air sign sa mundo. Pero, kung gusto niyo pwede kayo magpa-personal reading kay Jing Tarot Trader. May sarili din po siyang YouTube channel na friend ko yun guys ha. Siya ang open sa personal reading, hindi po ako. Sa akin po, ang open sa akin, astrological reading. At maa-avail mo yan. Naka-promo pa ako guys ngayon. 299 doon sa aking TikTok shop. Okay? May kasama yung astrological reading. Compatibility reading pwede rin. Okay, let's start. What do we have here for the sign of air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius? You do have here Six of Wands. I like this. Five of Wands. Okay. Um, I feel like I need to get one more card. So, gagawin ko yun. Okay. Meron tayo ditong, actually, tatlo yung lumabas. But, ayan. Six of Wands, Five of Wands, and the Chariot. So, nakakita tayo dito ng success for you. Okay? Whatever kind of challenges na dinadaanan mo ngayon, napapagdaanan mo ngayon, whether challenge regarding sa career, business, challenge regarding sa love. For example, yung kakonect mo is may someone else. Nakikita natin na hindi ka para kabahan or mangamba. Okay? Pwedeng sa isip mo yon, nakikita mo rin, no? Or this is actually then a sign for you na wag ka talaga mangamba kasi ikaw talaga ang winner, kumbaga, with the Chariot. And the way I see this, there's a fast growth na mangyayari pa lang sa'yo. Yung iba nangyayari na ngayon, yung iba mangyayari pa lang. Fast growth. Okay? This will be fast. King of Wands and the Seven of Wands is here. Magugulat ka na lang. And I feel like for some of you, pagdating sa love, someone is going to reveal something to you na um, pwedeng questionin mo, pero in a way, pwedeng ikagulat mo. Okay, because the King of Wands, this is someone na being honest. This is someone telling the truth. This is someone na parang, let's work things out. Ganyan. And I can see na pwedeng itong person na to wants to have something with you. Na pwedeng hindi mo ine-expect or hindi mo alam na gusto niya tong bagay na to. But I feel like that has something to do with his or her plans. Okay, but anyway, sino ba tong person na kakonect mo? Sino ba tong person na kakonect mo? Okay. Oh, you do have here. Ito yung unahin natin kasi ito yung unang nag-open. Five of Swords. Ten of Swords. Okay. Two of Wands and Two of Wands. Wow, this is actually, alam mo, this is weird, no? Pero hindi ko siya, choice ko na hindi tanggalin. You know why? Kasi sa tarot decks, isa lang ang Two of Wands. Pero this particular deck, no? Dalawa yung Two of Wands. Ayan. At magkaiba yung picture. And dahil magkaiba yung picture niya, magkaiba yung meaning din niya. No? And magkaiba yung energies. Now, so nakikita natin dito sa person na ito, this could be a person na pwedeng both of you, feeling niya, you share the same interest. You share the same thoughts. Kung ano yung pananaw nyo sa buhay, kung ano yung mga plano ninyo, parang may pagkakapareho eh. And nare-realize or nakikita ng person na yan. The Five of Swords and the Ten of Swords, this person na acknowledge niya. Or, I feel like, For some of you, lalo na kung ikaw ito na may ginawa kang changes sa buhay mo. Pwedeng itong person na to, gusto niya rin gumawa ng changes sa buhay niya. Pwedeng may gusto rin siyang i-end. Lalo na kung ikaw ito na may mga ginawa kang pagbabago, may mga in-end ka, maybe you embrace the Six of Wands. This is you na parang in-embrace mo kung ano yung meron ka. Yung iba pwedeng you look good, no? Dahil maaaring naging confident ka kung sino ka, kung ano ka, anong meron ka sa looks mo, etc. So, pwedeng may mga improvements. Ayan. And you look pretty, you look good, you look amazing, no? And might be in the past hindi ganun. There's a lot of insecurities, etc. But this time, lalo na kung ikaw yon, no? This person is planning something, with the Two of Wands, may plano tong taong to. And I feel like, pwedeng mag-align yon sa kung ano yung, mga pagbabagong ginawa mo sa buhay mo. Okay? And the Ace of Swords, this person is thinking of you a lot. Ikaw lang ang tumatakbo sa utak niya ngayon 24/7. Lalo na with the Ten of Pentacles. Nine of Pentacles is here. I feel like this person, hindi siya satisfied sa, ito yung parang hindi siya satisfied sa kung ano yung nangyayari sa buhay niya ngayon. And also at the same time, pwedeng hindi rin siya satisfied sa mga taong kasama niya ngayon. Or there's a particular person. And ngayon, maaaring nare-realize niya. So tell me more pagdating sa connection ninyong dalawa for air sign, please. Maaaring yun din yung dahilan kung bakit parang gusto niya ng ending. Parang gusto ko na pinaplano. Kasi the Two of Wands is all about plano. And then, the Five of Swords is about changes. And makikita mo yung, game over. Which is, that is also signifying change. Change na to the point na pwedeng kailangan may i-end. And the Ten of Swords is, the number 10 is about ending. So, gusto niya nang tapusin to. So, pwedeng may pagpaplano rin dito sa person na to. Lalo na sa hindi siya happy, hindi siya satisfied, feeling niya hindi match, etc. Hindi nagmamatch yung mga tao or sitwasyon sa buhay niya. So, tell me about the emotions here. Ano yung emosyon mo sa taong ito? You do have your Ace of Wands, King of Pentacles, and the Fool. Okay. And then, ano emotion niya for you? Kunin natin yun, ha? Pareho. You do have here the Four of Wands. Wow. The Tower. Okay, and the Ten of Cups. If you would notice, sa side ng person mo, there's a lot of ending numbers. And also, the Tower is an ending. Okay? And kung ano man yung i-end dito, might be, it has something to do with being, with this Four of Wands, which is yung Four of Wands kasi is something stable. No? So, kahit ano palang stable yung bagay na yan, or sitwasyon na yan, or whatever it is, kahit anumang tatag ng pundasyon yan, nandun yung pag-iisip ng person mo na, ay, i-end ko to. Ayoko nito. Lalo na with the Ten of Swords, Ten of Cups, the Tower, all of that are signifying ending. And nakakita tayo dito ng house. So, maybe, regarding a home. Diba? Tas may kita natin, you do have your game over. Tas, if you are familiar sa laro na Tetris, that's the Tower. And it's already game over. Tapos na yung game. And might be this person. This person wants to be happy. Gusto niya mapunta sa ibang place. And I feel like it has something to do with you. Because sa sobrang kakaisip sa'yo nitong taong 'to, may mga times na iniisip niya mali, hindi maganda or what, pero mas nangingibabaw yung gusto kong maging masaya. Parang hindi ako belong dito kung nasaan ako. Parang hindi ako para dito. Parang hindi ito talaga dapat. And yeah, this person is always thinking of you, imagining stuff with you. Minsan nananaginip siya ng gising, and I feel like this person is currently dreaming about you right now. Di ba? Gusto niya yung pagiging misteryoso mo. Okay, yun yung emotion na nakikita natin sa kanya. Happiness, daydreaming about you. And tell me more, bakit siya nagde-daydream? You do have the Seven of Pentacles and the Six of Cups. See? Seven of Pentacles and the Six of Cups. The Six of Cups is regarding this person. Sabi ko nga sa'yo, pwedeng ini-imagine ka nga kasi nito person na to. And might be there's something in the past sa inyo. I'm seeing past life. So this could be a soulmate connection. So yun, maaaring kaya kanya daydream, kaya kanya naaalala, naiisip ito kanya. Because there's a soulmate connection. And at the same time, if you do like this person, with the number 6, balance energy yan, balance number yan. Sa numerology, that's a balance number. Pwedeng kung gusto mo tong person na to, gusto ka rin kasi niya. Kung naiisip mo siya, naiisip ka rin niya. There's this parang pagkakapareho. And you do have your Seven of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy. I feel like nakikita niya rin kasi na mas magbe-benefit siya sa kung ano yung mga meron ka. I don't know if it has something to do with finances, career, whatever, no? Pero there's something in you na alam niyang kahit mali, gusto ko yun. Kasi pwedeng makikinabang din siya, feeling niya makikinabang din siya doon or what. And or, pwedeng nakita tayo ng plants dyan. So, parang itong person to wants to grow and might be nakikita niya yung growth sa'yo. Okay? Emotion mo with the Ace of Wands. Sorry, ito ba yun? Yeah. Naguluhan lang ako kasi nandito sa ilalim yung message kanina, King of Pentacles and the Fool. Major Arcana, the Fool. Nakikita ko yung excitement mo dito sa person na ito. You really do like this person. Something in you na parang ang energy mo, wala na akong pakialam. I just want you. I just want this. And you are focusing on material or reality. Yung mga nandito ka lang sa, ayaw mo na ng spiritual connection. Gusto ko yun, nandito na, nakikita ko, nahawakan ko, etc. The Fool, I feel like you want to take the risk. You want to take the risk. Kasi bakit? Once in a life, or once in your life, diba? Hindi ka nag-take ng risk. Ngayon na ako magte-take ng risk. Kailan pa ako magte-take ng risk pag namatay na ako? Parang ganun. Kasi minsan lang tayo mabuhay sa mundo. And nakakita ko ng shampoo. I don't know. Maybe something to do with shampoo. Maybe kaliligo mo lang or what. Or you're thinking of buying shampoo. Anyway, it doesn't matter. For what I can see here, pinaka-emotions mo is na-excite ka. You're just having fun. What will happen in the future sa inyong dalawa? You go over the Judgment and the Moon. Wow. Dalawang major arcana yan sa person mo. Page of Wands and the Knight of Pentacles. I want to clarify itong Knight of Pentacles. What's with the Knight of Pentacles? Knight of Pentacles is clarified by the Queen of Wands. What's with the Judgment and the Moon? Ace of Pentacles and the Four of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Bottom of the deck is the Emperor. And the Justice card. Hindi to para sa lahat, ha. Nakita tayo ng conversation. sa inyong dalawa in the future. This person, medyo, ano siya mabagal, or let's say pwedeng wishy-washy, hindi mo alam ko talaga ano talaga intention niya, etc. May mga pabago-bago siyang movement, you know. And with the judgment, wala kang pakialam. Parang alam na alam mo na yon, parang kilalang kilala mo na siya. So, this person is like, lalo na with the moon, malakas ang iyong intuition. Ramdam mo. So, yung person na to, kahit hindi siya magsalita, kahit hindi siya mag-open, pwedeng maramdaman mo sa kanya kung ano talagang intention, kung ano talagang emotion niya para sa'yo. And with the Ace of Pentacles, I feel like there's a new beginning for you. With the Four of Pentacles na may kinalaman sa pera, okay? Maybe some of you may mga ipon or perang gagastusin dahil kailangan pag-ipunan or something. Dahil maybe for expansion, I don't know, or yung ipon mo magagastos mo because of, nakita tayo ng pwede new beginning sa'yo pagdating sa money or mga bagong projects, you know what I mean? So, kung may business, maybe may mga gusto kang i-add up sa business mo, so you will use some of your money para maisa katuparan yun. You know what I mean here? So, clarify the Knight of Pentacles and the Queen of Wands. The Queen of Cups. Yeah, yung iba sa inyo pwedeng i-reveal or sabihin niya sa'yo yung tungkol sa emotions niya. The world is here. And the Three of Wands. Yan. This person will reveal you things and stuff na hindi mo akalain nandun. No? And what is the outcome of this? Outcome is the Star and the Seven of Cups. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Ooh. You will be more inspired in the future. Both of you will inspire each other. Nakikita natin yung kagustuhan nyo na ma-accomplish or makuha yung isa't isa and mailagay sa realidad kung ano man yung mga nasa isip din yung dalawa. So, there's a positive energy na pareho ninyong i-work out itong spiritual connection ninyo into a reality. Okay? So, thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.